Hi guys, Dan the Man Dragon Can here, reg.d.lyons, reg.d.lyons here for you. Yeah, just a quick promotional video. I just want to let you know that the books, all our books of S.A.G.A. Super Awesome Graphic Arts New Media is 30 to 40% off. I mean, before they were 60% off, but then they're like 30 to 40% off now, up to paperbacks and hardcovers and ebooks. And I just want to let you know that too, that I'm working on this ebook. It's called Mind Map Your Goals to Super Success. It's an awesome ebook, guys. Yeah, so that's going to be marketed pretty soon. Another thing I just wanted to tell you before I go is Super Awesome Graphic Arts is actually looking for affiliates worldwide to help market books. Market the books. There's two series. I write reg.d.lyons. I write in the thriller, suspense, thriller, action genre. And I have one, S.A.G.A is the super spy thriller series. And then we have White Lion. White Lion is a supernatural mystery action thriller series. Okay? And so I've got 2 books on both series. S.A.G.A is 5 books. And White Lion is a trilogy. Okay? So yeah, so affiliates, if you market, all you have to do is like throw up links on your social media, and every time somebody buys, I drive enough traffic to my spotlight page, which is a landing page for buying the books. I mean, they're like $3-4 for the e-novels or the digital products, and the paperbacks and the hardcovers are, like, yeah, 30 to 40% off. So there's a significant discount there too, and so people can like find out more about me and about my work, and they read the copy, the excellent copy on these books, right? And another thing is there's a surprise. Well, it's not really a surprise anymore because I talked about it before, that I'm going to be recovering about 3 of my books right now. And then maybe after I might do the other ones, the other 3. Well, not the other 3, the other 2, which is White Lion. But S.A.G.A and Super Ninja, that series is going to get a new book cover because I've had way too much piracy going on with my books. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to have digital control management on there, and that will help prevent some of the piracy that's going on worldwide. And I'll tell you, man, it's a lot. It's a lot. So I got to do something. Now I'm going to be, I'm going to have like digital control management on there. So guys, if you're interested in becoming an affiliate, and I can add you to revenue, to the creator's revenue, you can email me, reg.d.lyons@gmail.com, to find out more. And I'd be happy to explain and discuss with you the opportunity here. It's an incredible opportunity for everybody to make, some rewards, some money, and get the word out, get my books out there more. So because Facebook, they want me to keep boosting and stuff like that. I mean, it's a waste of money because a lot of the time, the boost, it doesn't target the right people, or the ad is not seen or something, because I'm not seeing any results from Facebook. I just am not. So I'm going with Instagram now and TikTok, but I do need help. So affiliates, I'm looking for affiliates worldwide. Okay, guys, guys and girls, guys and gals. Okay, so I'll let you go now, and hey, have a great night, and we'll see you soon. Ninja love for everyone, all right? See ya, bye. Oh, and do subscribe and like and share this with everyone. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of this cool, awesome videos that are coming your way. See ya. Sayonara.